So the palette that I'm going to be using today is from BH Cosmetics. It's one of their collaborations, and the first color that I'm going to be using is the color Migrate, which I point to right there. I'm going to use this as a transition shade, just very lightly. I didn't really go into too much with this. I'm using a Sigma E40 blending brush to do that, and I just want to make sure the top part is blended out. The second color that I'm going to use is the yellow color from the palette. I forgot to point to it. I'm kind of doing things a little backwards than I normally do. Typically I start at the outer corners and then the inside of the halo is the last thing I do, but I'm kind of reversing it. So I'm putting the yellow just in the center only. And then I'm going to work my way outwards, and the third color I'm going to use is the color Monarch, which is kind of like a soft muted orange color, I guess. It's not like a full blown orange. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it around the yellow color, but leaving the top empty. So I'm kind of just packing it on, and then I'll blend it, slowly blend the yellow into the orange. And I'm not going too far out because I do want to go in with another color after this. So the next color I'm going to take is this matte purple shade. It's a really, really pretty purple color. I'm going to take this with a flat kind of shader brush, and I'm pretty much going to let the brush do the work for me. I'm just going to tap it on that inner corner first where I want it, and then make sure to blend out the edges, and then kind of slowly blend it into the orange. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the outer corner. I'm just going to tap it where I want it, and then make sure the edges on the outside are blended out, and then it's blended in to the orange. And then I did want to add a little bit more dimension to it, so I added a darker purple eyeshadow, and I just added it to the inner corner and the outer corner, and very little. I mean, I barely, as you can see, like I barely tapped it on there because I didn't want to cover up that other purple. Okay guys, I'm going to do my face and then finish up my under eye in a second. Hopefully I don't forget. So the first thing I'm going to take is this Smashbox Photo Finish Even Skin Tone Primer, and I'm just going to prime the center of my face. So tired today because I stood up binge watching the show All American on Netflix. I think I finally got myself to stop like at 3 o'clock in the morning or something. For foundation, I'm going to take the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation. I'm going to mix a little bit of this Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Face Illuminator in the color Spectrum Bronze. And I'm going to use this Makeup Forever little like, oh wait, it has a number. 112 Wavy brush, it says. I'm just taking a little bit on my brush, and I'm going to add just a little bit, mix a little bit in. Yeah, so that show is really good. I wasn't sure if I was going to get into it because they're like in high school or whatever, and usually those shows are kind of, usually I feel like those shows can be like a little cheesy, but this one is really good. It has a good story, and it's like based off, I guess, inspired by true events or whatever, but woo, I was watching the second season, and I think almost every episode had me bawling. I was just like crying. Okay, I really like this brush. Really, really like it. And then I'm going to cover up these bad boys, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. I tried the color Porcelain. I'm using vanilla. I tried the color Porcelain. It was a little too light for me. And I picked the winners from my last four videos, I think. The giveaway winners. I think you guys have all contacted me by now, but there's going to be a slight delay of me getting those packages to you because I wanted to send them in those like yellow envelope, like padded yellow envelopes, but I don't have any more. I only have one left, and I tried ordering them from, what am I using? I don't even know what I'm going to use. Shit, I'll just use this. I tried ordering them from my Walmart like grocery pickup, because I've been doing that like crazy. If you guys haven't tried the Walmart grocery pickup, oh, I love it. And I'll put a link in the description box because you guys can get $10 off your first order. with that. It's a referral link, but I'm telling you, it's so much better than Target's. I haven't even stepped foot in a store and I don't know how long, because Walmart you can get, I'm going completely off topic, but Walmart you can get everything. They let you get almost everything there. I don't know if you can get like clothes and stuff, but you can get almost everything there in every department. I was trying to do it from Target. Oh, and it was so annoying. They wouldn't even let me get my creamer, like my coffee creamer. It's like it was available for delivery but not pickup. I'm like, that's so stupid. A lot of things were like that. It was like it wasn't available for delivery but pickup and vice versa. And it's just, it was so irritating. I'm like, I'm not doing this anymore. Walmart's is just so much better. And you don't even got to get out of your car. They just come and they load it for you and you drive off. Literally. You don't even have to like speak to them. Anyways, I got distracted. Yeah, so I tried to order the envelopes from Walmart, and the ones that I ordered, they were out of stock on. So I'm gonna try to order some more because I really don't want to have to go inside the store. I've been doing that grocery pickup like once every 2 weeks right now, so yeah. Then I'm gonna set that with the Laura Mercier Secret brightening powder. So yeah, it's just gonna be a little delayed, but you guys will get them. I promise I will ship those out soon. I just don't want to have to go into a store to go get anything. I want to go to the post office and touch all their boxes, so I'm not going to do that either. Unless I have to, unless I really can't find any of those envelopes, I will. Oh, duh, I'll just order them off Amazon. I don't know what I'm thinking. Bronzer, I'm going to use, I love this bronzer, and they do still have it. It's the Makeup Forever, not Makeup Forever, it's Makeup Geek Sun-Kissed Fair Skin bronzer. I've had this one forever. I don't know if her packaging has changed yet because I think she's in Target now. But you can see I really love this one. Also going to do my nose with that. Whoa. Oops. You know, a lot of the shows that I've been watching, I haven't realized that they're actually on regular TV. Let's just clean up under there a little. This is going to be a mistake because this powder is a secret brightening powder because I didn't want to go get my other one. So hopefully it doesn't show up too light. For blush, I'm going to use this Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion in Peach. Peach, baby. Oops, again. For highlighter, I'm going to take Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter in Radiant Rose. If you want a cheaper alternative, this J-Cat Beauty You Glow Baked Highlighter in Moon and Back is a good cheap alternative to this one. They're both really pretty. This one's a little bit more dry, so it would be better to use this wet. I really like this one too. It's one of my favorites, but I'm going to use this one today. These are my favorite. I don't know why I'm out of breath. Highlighters. Just a little bit because, you know, I haven't been wanting highlighter lately. But I do like it on my nose. Okay, so I'm going to take this Makeup Forever Aqua XL eyeliner, M80, and I'm going to use this in my waterline. Like a darker purple. Then I'm going to take this color right here in Monarch, and I'm going to use that. Take that color and just use that color only under my lower lash line. Yeah, I think I'm just going to leave it like that. And then I wasn't planning on doing anything to my inner corner of my eye, but I think I'm going to take this color Metamorphosis right here and put that in the inner corner, I think. I don't know. Am I? Yes. Yes, we are. My color is really, really, really pretty. And for lips, it's going to be something simple. I mean, something nude, probably. I'm going to line my lips with this LA Girl Bare lip liner. Then I'm going to take Huda Beauty's Girlfriend liquid lipstick. Love this color. I wonder how many times I say and then, whoa, and then in a video. I don't know where the top is at. Crap. Okay, my camera stopped recording as I was talking. I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Macchiato Lip Gloss just on my bottom lip. Love this color. Love, love, love. I'm going to take a little bit of the Morphe Prep and Set setting spray. This is an old bottle. I think they even like redid it. I don't know, but I like that it's a mist and it smells really good. It smells so good, and I just love the fact that it's such a fine mist. Okay, we're done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. And